overwhelmed by everything I saw at Macklin Acropolis, but we had to keep on moving north towards Ranikot Fort. The sun has just risen here above the fort. We arrived just in time, and it's so cold, I'm shivering. But I want to see how this place looks from the top. Guys, I want to show you something. Come have a look. The fascinating thing about Ranikot Fort is that nobody really knows its history or origins. And yet, one of the world's largest forts towers here above the landscape of Sindh. This is the kind of view that justifies getting up at 4 a.m. only to get here at sunrise, when the first rays of daylight begin to hit this beautiful structure and lend it that incredible celestial light. This is the true beauty of the union between a man-made construction and nature. And there's nobody else here. Just me and my camera and my crew somewhere in the distance. I've run away from them. All road trips have one thing in common. You just have to keep on moving from one destination to the next. All right, let's keep going. But one thing that remained constant was Jazz Super 4G, which enabled me to upload and share my entire journey with my social media audience.